We hear one question frequently on sales calls. Is buying a high-efficiency gas furnace worth the investment? Let's take a look at the money you could save and other considerations. Hi, I'm Brad from Fire and Ice. As a residential sales professional, I have helped thousands of Central Ohio homeowners get the most out of their HVAC system. At Fire and Ice, we believe in giving our customers as much information as they need. In this video, we're going to go over why we might consider buying a high-efficiency furnace. And if you find today's content helpful, subscribe to our channel for weekly educational content. First, we should discuss what a high-efficiency furnace is. In terms of AFUE, or annual fuel utilization efficiency, 90% and higher is the threshold for a high-efficiency furnace, which can also be referred to as condensing furnace. This means for a furnace to be considered high efficiency, 90% or more of the energy used must be converted to heat for your home. Of course, there are dozens of factors in this equation. How often do you run it? What's the climate like during the winter? What is the thermostat set to? And so on. A standard efficiency furnace returns 80 cents to the dollar you put into it. A high efficiency model returns at least 90, and most models are rated between 92 and 98%. So you can gain 10 to 18 cents to the dollar every time a high efficiency furnace runs compared to a standard efficiency furnace. And because your fuel bill accounts for about half of the total energy bill, that adds up. Before we move on, if you're enjoying this video so far, please like the video and leave a comment. We'd love to hear what you have to say and answer any questions you might have. And did you know we even have more resources on our website? Click the link here to visit our Learning Center for more in-depth information, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more great content. There are more than just economic benefits. It's better for the environment because you are using less fuel, there are more opportunities for rebates, and it offers better compatibility with smart thermostats, which can help you save even more on your fuel bill. One determining factor in deciding if a high-efficiency furnace is for you is how long do you expect to be in your home. If you're planning on moving away in a year or two, it makes no sense to purchase a high-efficiency furnace since you won't have the system long enough to see any payoff. But if you'll be in your home long-term, the efficiency will pay off. The bigger the house, the bigger the furnace, the more you're going to save. I hope by now you have a better understanding of high-efficiency furnaces and if they might be right for you. If you'd like more information on HVAC systems, click the link in the description below. If you found this video helpful, feel free to give us a like and be sure to subscribe. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to making your day better.